Tired of your RV battery dying right when you're deep off-grid? It's not just you. Traditional lead-acid batteries lose up to 50% of their usable capacity under heavy loads. But what if you could take control tonight? From sudden power drops in remote campsites to constant generator noise, Boondockers are searching for independence. Meet the LiFePO4 battery upgrade kit, a smart solution designed for the modern American home on wheels. This isn't just another battery pack. It's a complete power revolution for your rig. Industry reports prove it delivers over 3,000 charge cycles, lasting up to 10 times longer than standard batteries. It's light, compact, and built to keep your life running without a hitch. For off-grid families, this means true peace of mind. No more freezing nights or noisy generator run times. Just pure, reliable, and endless power freedom. Ready to stop worrying about your next power drain? See if a LiFePO4 upgrade is your rig's missing piece. Check out our full breakdown and recommendations at ecopowerguide.com. Subscribe for more energy-saving tips.